Let's imagine that if you eat high-calorie foods, such as donuts, as your everyday meal, what's going to happen? Your body will accumulate a lot of fat, which might eventually develop into obesity. While you got obesity, the risk of developing many other diseases, such as hypertension, diabetes, and even certain types of cancers will be significantly increased. To prevent that happen, healthy foods such as fruits and vegetables are recommended to balance your diet by making you feel full and supplementing you lots of nutrients. But actually, there is a lot more that those foods can do. Take cranberry as an example. Cranberry is a good source of many nutrients like vitamins. More importantly, it also contains some food bioactives such as polyphenols. So when we consume cranberries, we uptake those bioactives as well. Bioactives are not essential nutrients because our body can function well without them. But studies found that many food bioactives exhibit exciting pharmaceutical properties that has a potential can be applied to disease prevention and treatment. As a food science PhD student, my research focuses on those food bioactives to study whether they have the potential to prevent or treat obesity. To start my experiment, first I need to have an appropriate animal model, which I chose C. elegans, a 1 millimeter long worm found in soil. Then you may wonder, why? Why using the worm to study obesity? It doesn't sound making any sense. Well, I will give you 3 reasons. First, C. elegans is a cost-effective animal model, which needs less space, less resources, and can be frozen for the later use. Second, the life cycle of C. elegans is only approximate 3 days. Therefore, allow me to get my results faster. Third, and the most important is that C. elegans has 65% of conserved genes that's found to be associated with human diseases. So the compound that works on C. elegans has high potential, can be applied to human beings. All these features make C. elegans a great model for the obesity study. With the help of this great model, I have successfully identified several food bioactives, such as ones found in cranberries, that can effectively reduce fat accumulation in C. elegans. Although my results are still on the worm level, they can provide important fundamentals for the future animal studies and human clinic studies. Thank you.